All right. Wanted to take another look at a different AI agent today. This one on the Relay.app platform. Relay.app is a platform I've used for a lot of traditional workflow automations, and now they've added AI agents support into their automation workflows as well. So wanted to test it out. The agent that we built today is definitely more personal than business. It's an AI agent to help with weekly meal planning, which anybody who's done it, I think it kind of can be a pain. So this agent works through email to help you plan out your weekly meal plan, and then emails you your final meal plan along with a shopping list at the end of the week, or at the end of the process for the next week. So there's two kind of workflow steps here. The initial weekly meal plan is a traditional workflow, and then the email-based meal planning assistant, that's the agent. We'll just take a quick look at the initial. So the initial one sends an initial meal plan every Wednesday. It runs some code to come up with random strings, random recipe-related strings to search Google for each day. So it'll use some of these different cooking types, flavors, ingredients, cuisine types, come up with a random string for each day to search recipes for. Then it'll search Google and pick the top 3 recipes that are returned for that, and then do JavaScript again to structure your email and send it to me, to my personal address. So then once you get that, then you're in an email-based response loop with the agent. So you reply back which recipes you want to keep for which day, which recipes it should search for something that you want, which days it should search for all new random recipes. The agent will receive your email back, and it's set up by this prompt here, which tells it which tools it has and then which kind of workflow to use. So if new recipes or changes are requested, it does one thing. If it's all recipes are approved, or if you're done the plan, then it executes phase 2, which is scraping all the recipes to put together the shopping list and email the final plan. So again, you can just conversationally tell it in the email, pick option 1 for Monday, option 2 for Tuesday, Wednesday, come up with all new random suggestions, Thursday, find me a recipe for chicken primavera, whatever, and it'll respond and use the appropriate tool and then send you back your email with the results for you to respond back. Instead of email, you could use some kind of a synchronous chat tool. For this, I prefer email and the asynchronous nature, so that when it gets sent, you can look at it when you have a chance and then respond back when you have a chance and just let it do its thing. You're not stuck in a window trying to wait for a response, and that, to me, that would just make it more of a pain, where the point of this is to make it easy. So let's look at a sample from this week. So the initial meal plan was sent, 3 options for every day. You can look at the recipes, respond back with which ones to keep, which ones to change out, and it'll do that. So you can see we went through the loop, picked these 4 recipes to start. Actually, it switched around because this one was suggested for Tuesday. Monday here is supposed to be minus 25, so some nice warm chicken soup Monday. And then new options for Friday. Then once you've finalized, you'll get your final meal plan with prep and cook time, and then a collated shopping list out of all the recipes organized by product type. So then you can go through that and eliminate kind of whatever you have in your pantry or fridge. But it's just a nice, easy assistant to do something that to me is a pain, and it makes the whole process kind of painless. You just look at recipes, pick, and respond as if it was a person. So that's the video on that. I wanted to test out Relay.app's AI agents, and it works pretty well. The only kind of qualm I had was that the scraper with Relay sometimes errors out, and it doesn't have an auto retry setting yet. A lot of other AI agent workflows would have that on an AI tool, but I emailed that to them, and they responded back actually the same day this morning and said that they're already looking to get that fixed probably today. So yeah, that's the AI agent meal planning assistant that works over email. Takes another problem out of your life. Thanks.